Kurumjari SKTV Manipur Pabu Yengbiriba Pumnamakpo Kondrak Pom Sanatombi Nataram Nokjari Ahanbada Maruiba Pau Kanana CM Oigadagi Haiba Hojik Fawba Lekai Taba Ngamdri BJP Northeast ki Coordinator Sambit Patrana BJP ki MLA Singa Amamamta Oina Ngasisu Nakri Manipur Mazar Agreement Chapchana implement Taunaba Manipur Gining Tow MP Lesembasana Jaubana Parliament Taksin Kri Amasung Thanga Primary Health Center gi Matau Taba Dr. Tabiro Haina Taksilabasu Tabi Dabadagi Thanga Punba Maira Paibi Lupna PICSC Sholon Sikri Haujik Pau Sandok na Pijari Manipur Laingakta Ahungba Kaya Laki Bagaloinana BJP na Luchingba Laingaki Luchingba Khananaba Hotnabada Haujik Fauba Laikai Tabangamdri Ngarang Digi Hauduna Imphal Hotel da BJP North East ki Coordinator Sambit Patrana BJP ki MLA Sing Amamamta Oina Unakiba Adu Ngasisu Makachathari Amaromda Manipur Laingakta Forest and Environment Minister Oiramba Thongam Bisojita Paumbi Sing na Hangba Wahangi Paukumda Mifam Pangthok Liba Asi Kanana Anoba Chief Minister Oigani Haibagi Matang Danate Manipur Santi Hanjilakna Nabani Haina Fongdok Lamki Amaromda Nongtongpam Birena Luchingba BJP gi Ani Suba Term da Saugat Kiba NPF ki Oina Party Asigi State President Hana Water Resources Minister Oiramba Awangbong Nyungmaina Mahaki Party gi Firepti Ahongba Leite Hana Laukiba Firepta Adumak Hongdana Lay Haidi Adumoinamak Tasigi Tang Mapanda New Delhi Degi Halakpaga Rajbhavanda Chatlaga Chief Minister Famdegi resign Tauragi Haina Cherol Pisin Kiba Matung Haujik Fauba Masing Suna Lay Haidiba BJP Party gi MLA Singi Marakta Makoigi Legislative Party gi Luchingba Khanduna Anoba Chief Minister Ama Khanbagi Wafam Lekai Taba Ngamdana Lady
Sir, you have been meeting with Sambit Patrana. Any updates, sir? Any updates on formation of government, sir?
Who will be the next CM, sir?
So who will be next CM?
No, we don't discuss for the CM.
So when will be the next government form?
We just discuss to bring back the peace only.
Okay.
Going on. It is for the betterment of everyone.
We understand it, but when will the result
Time will come and everyone.
Because tomorrow.
So what is the stand? Sir, what is the stand of NPF, sir? So what is the stand of NPF, sir, right now?
Our stand is always the same.
आज कुछ तो बता दो सर आज कुछ तो बता दो सर
Nothing to be said. I just wanted to meet him because he's our in charge. That's all. That is not my Leban's. I don't have to comment on that because I don't have the authority to say like that. But I think center will decide everything. Whatever the center says, we'll abide by that command and instruction. That's all. I think the High Command will decide everything. We have to write the instruction. That is up to them to decide. The things to be done. We requested him to try to maximum to return the normalcy in Manipur. That's all we requested him because he's in charge of our Manipur state unit. And we told him, we request him and we appeal him from the center side, please try to find a way or to return normalcy in Manipur.
CM ga malau thokani khone ha bi pot ti akhoi leite na akhoi adumai feel tawe akhoi na sungwani sabada sajabada ko technicality mas mayam du di adum koi India government na khanarongani akhoi di toina keno tawdre
it's just a courtesy call nothing it's just a courtesy call
NPF
Manipur Mazar Agreement Chapchana implement Taunaba Manipur Gining Tow MP Lesemba Sana Jaubana Parliamenta Taksin Kre Manipur Merger Agreement chapchana implement taunaba Rajya Sabha gi MP Ningthau Leisemba Sana Jaubana Parliament taksin kre ngasi fam kiba Parliament mifam gi 0 hour gi matamda Merger Agreement gi wafam asi pukhat aduna MP Sana Jaubana hai Manipur asi apikpa state ama oijarabasu matam amada chahi lising manga henbagi puari amadi civilization leijarakpa maning makha tamna palamba leipak ama oirami The Manipur Merger Agreement 1949 haiba agreement amagi makhada kumja lising amaga chamapan nifuga mapan degi Manipur India gi saruk ama oiraki adumakpu haukiba chahi kaya gi mamangda palam leba laingak singna hairiba agreement asi karigumbada ikai khumnabiba natraga khangbiba leitri masina tasengna Manipur gi miyam gi pukning wakalda chauna chaitheng piri maruwaina agreement asigi Nepal suba article da yauriba aroiba para asida Manipuri singi socio-economic, cultural amadi political status hena wangba thakta pukhatpaga mari leinana yamna mayak sengna yauri haiki maramasina Manipur gi socio-economic, cultural amadi political status hena fagat hananaba matik chaba thaurang sing amadi mathau thaba khongthang sing lokhat pinanaba loinana Manipur Merger Agreement chapchana implement taunaba house ki khuthangda Manipur gi ningtau MP Sana Jaubale sembana union government ki pokning chingsin ki
Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for the last many decades, the previous government never tried to honor or address this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of the Manipuris. Particularly, the last para of Article 8 of this agreement is very relevant for the Manipuris to uplift their socio-economic, cultural and political status. It reads as, I quote, the government of India shall also undertake to make suitable provisions for the employment of Manipuris in the various branches of public services and in every way encourage the Manipuris to join them. It also undertakes to preserve various laws, customs and conventions prevailing in the states of Manipur pertaining to the social, economic and religious life of the people, unquote. But till today, no suitable provisions or safeguards are made or safe in this regard. So I urge upon the Union government to make suitable provisions or take up necessary steps to uplift the socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuris in the days to come. Thank you, sir.
Senior journalist Yambem Labana TV discussion amada Pambaina Luchingba UNLF ki matangda aranba wafam thamlubagi lale haina sengdokre ngasi Imphal West District ki mafam amada paumi singda sengdokladuna Yambem Labana haikibada chahi humfu henna iramdam asibu ningtamnabagi damak lan hauduna lakliba haujikna India lainga ka ceasefire taunaduna political dialogue tauraga ningtamba puraknanaba hotnariba asibu surrender hairuba amadi haukiba chahi gi October 2 da kangpokpida kuki singna maitai ani fakiba adu kuki singa onaraba yai haina irubada mahaki mayumda khutlai paiba miyoi khara laklaga social media dagi logthoknana bahairam kiba adu mahakna wakhalna sajinduna pambaina luchingba UNLF nani haikiba adu soikre haina sengdoklakli madungda sigumba thawong asi amuk khanna tawjararoi haiki
National Liberation Front under Bharat Sarkar ga ceasefire tawraga BJP naraga awang muthakta ningtamasi political dialogue amada purakna bahona riba nulepu aina marang han Thanga surrender group haina haibadu aranbani soibani adu ai withdraw tawjare nale haijari mayam da yumda papasun Manipur mayam aduga marang han aina TV discussion amada hauki bachai October tang anida kangpokpida soidana pharu mate anega uki trama to emerson mark hauki yauna sinagadra haina irubaduda nungdang the Facebook post lokto uwaina laki bakulai pai sing adu makoina akoi unit pambani haina hairam leite engwa aina sum saduna dum haiki wadi matang su ai lani haijari mistake ni madu mistake adu ngapi wan haijari aduga aina mok makhata na smain to na soiba pot pagi ga bagi discussion kari ko tai ajara ko sibagi au mai ga soiba se soire aduga unle pambe aina lani haijari sori haijari Manipur mayam su ngapi haijari
Bisnupur District ki Thanga AC ki amata ngairaba Kabrang Chingjeng Thanga Dalaiba Thanga Primary Health Center gi mathau taba Dr. Thabira haina taksilabasu tabidabadagi thanga apunba mairapaibi lupna PHC asi solon sinkre PHC asida Dr. Matik Chana leitabana khunja singna thengnariba awaba asi koknanaba Dr. Thabira u haina mari leinaba authority singda hanjin haijagrabasu thabakta onthoroktabadagi thanga apunba mairapaibi lupna PHC asi thonglon sinkibani hairi Kongjang aduda sarukya kibi kongjang loi amana fongdok rakibada hospital asida leifam thokpa Dr. Masing suna leitaba amadi mari leinaba authority na thabiraknanaba kayarak khanna haijakrabasu thabakta onthokpidri hauji leiriba record ki matung inna hospital asida Dr. Taruk leibagi manungda ahumna PG course tambagi chatki aduga Contractual oina puriba Dr. K.H. Bikramna Thanga AC da leiba relief camp tarada numit chupa koina chathanduna mathau tawhalli maramaduna Dr. Ani khaktana 24/7 mathau tawba oithoktabani AC asigi miyamna ana ayeki matangda layengbada achouba awaba mayoknari district asigi CMO amadi medical directorate ta awatpa Dr. Singh thabiraknanaba hanna haijakrabasu thabak oina onthok piraktabana miyamgi kholau Helakpana PHC asi solon sinduna thingjinbani haiki
Darki Dr. Awat pasi matam kaya ki mamang degi mari leinaba authority kaya da koi darkar oi pasi jang thaduna kaya ra hana haijakre adubu masi phawboda masi gi positive response amta pibiraktabana maram oleduna thanga punba maira pabina masi degi primary health center thanga ki hospital asi koi thonglon chinjai
Paugi marak thatna atenba break ama Breaki matungda miyambo amuka na taram nokchari makhataba pau Lona tingkraba lalolop KCP taibang nganbagi juvenile ama yauna atokpa miyoi manga kutsukulaiga konana security force na fagat pangamkre Police ki pau na hai tha sigi haukiba tang mapanda Tengnopol district ki L Minaugi mafam dagi RK Ingoch Singh chahi nifugani thoi Oinam Herojit chahi kungani pan Salam Sushil Singh chahi kungahumdoi Hizam Mani Maitai chahi kuntraga mathoi amasung Samjet Sabam Mani Sana Maitai chahi nifugahumdoi hairiba miyoi manga asi fagat pangamki makoi dagi 7.62 mm LMG rifle ama 7.62 mm SLR rifle ama 5.56 mm Insas rifle ani 7.62 mm AK-47 rifles ama 7.62 mm LMG gi magazine manga 7.62 mm SLR gi magazine ani 5.56 mm Insas LMG gi magazine manga 7.62 mm AK-47 gi magazine ani passive night sight ama 7.62 mm SLR gi assorted ammunition marifutara taruk 7.62 mm LMG gi round chaniga humfuni pan 5.56 mm insas ki round chaniga supna taruk 7.62 mm AK gi round humfutara humdoi bulletproof jacket taruk bulletproof plate nipan amasung mobile phone taret recover toba ngamki fagalaba khusu khulai sing adu mari leinaba police station da sinakre hairi Lona tingkraba KCP apunbagi active cadre ani ngarang Manipur police na fagat pangamkre police ki pauna hai haubam malem nganba sing atopa ming KGF chahi kungani thoi amasung Saruk Ahmad chahi taragani pan hairiba larulup asigi active cadre ani asi ngarang Imphal West district ki city police station na konba Rup Mahal teng manaktagi fagat kibani Miyoi ani asi hairi mamafam asida leiba dukan singda sankhai thumkhai tawbada chenabani hairi makoi degi mobile handset ani two wheeler gari ama amasung side bag ama recover tawki Lona yadaba maongda lotuna thamlamba Codeine phosphate and tripolidine HCl syrup 100 ml haina thaba cough syrup bottle sing fagat pangamkre police ki paw na hai akaknaba paw ama fangbadagi ngasi ayuk Thawal district ki Lelong police station na konba Lelong Haurebi turel ahan bida leiba Hafijuddin chahi kuntraga mapan apokpa leikidraba Maulana Jameruddin gi yumda combined force na changsinduna thiba humbagi thabak chathaki maduda cough syrup bottle kunga taret kaloinana capsule kunge mari yauba strip ani amadi capsule tarataruk yauba strip amasu recover tawbangamki cough syrup ka konana fagalaba Hafijuddin Lelong police ta sinaki bagaloinana case ama lokhatuna makhatana tijinba hokre haidi Safer Internet Day gi matangda District Administration Technopol amasung National Informatics Center NIC Technopol District Unit na punasinduna ngasi district asigi Machi subdivision gi manung channa Kasimda leiba community hall da nongmagi oiba district level awareness workshop ama pangthokre Together for a better internet haiba wakalonda pangthokiba thoram aduda sarukya kiba SP Technopol Rahul Gupta na phongdokkibada WhatsApp ta ekhoi message ama lakpa thengnabaga madubu achumbani aranbani haiba thidoktana hektamak share amasung forward tobiganu maduna miyam marakta pamdaba fibam thohanba yai daita leiba citizen ama oina message natraga video ama hekta chummi lali khangdana forward natraga share tawroidabani haiki Haujik amok state asida ngasige oikiba ayang asagi pau pijari. ICAR Regional Center Lamphel Patagi fangba report ki matung ina ngasi state asida khwaidigi ingbagi chang Celsius degree tara oiki aduga khwaidigi sabagi chang na Celsius degree kungahumdoi dasmit mangani nungsita yawbe sing manelgi chang na ayukta chada marifudara manga aduga numidang wairamdana chada kuntra mangani. Aroibada maroiba pausing amukka na pijari. Kanana CM oigadagi haiba haujik fawba lekhai taba ngamdri BJP Northeast ki coordinator Sambit Patra na BJP ki MLA singa amamamta oina ngasi sunakri. Manipur merger agreement chapchan implement taunaba Manipur gining to MPs lai semba sana jawbana parliament ta taksin free. Amasung Thanga Primary Health Center gi mathau taba Dr. Thabirau haina taksilabasu tabidabadagi Thanga punba maira paibi lupna PHC asi sholon sinfre. Matang asida bulletin asi loishinjare Manipur miyang gi punsida khwaidigi hena maru oiba state asigi lepak asigi madi malemgi e pausing gi damak SKTV news pu miyang taduna laibiu pumnabokpu khuramjari.